In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon Prime membership information on Amazon. Navigating through Amazon's vast array of features can sometimes seem daunting, especially when you're trying to access specific account details like your Prime membership. But don't worry, I'm here to help guide you through it, step by step, so you can quickly and easily find the information you're looking for. First things first, let's head over to Amazon.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that right away. Logging in not only gets you access to all the features available to Prime members, but also ensures that you're navigating with your personalized account settings, which is exactly what we need to locate your Prime membership. Simply enter your email and password, hit sign in, and we'll be ready to get started. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll usually find a section related to your account details. We're interested in finding the Account and Lists option. Give that a click. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, providing a quick overview of different areas you can manage within your account, including orders and preferences. However, what we're really focused on is locating the area where your membership and subscription details are stored, so hang tight as we dive a bit deeper. From this drop-down menu, you'll be looking for the Memberships and Subscriptions link. This is generally an option you can spot amongst the other features dedicated to account management, such as orders and payment methods. Clicking on Memberships and Subscriptions brings you directly to a page dedicated to all your memberships, not just Prime. Now that you're on the Memberships and Subscriptions page, this is where it all comes together. On this page, you'll see a list of all the subscriptions and memberships associated with your Amazon account. Here, you'll be able to find detailed information about each subscription you hold. Among them, your Amazon Prime membership will be prominently displayed, showing details such as your membership renewal date, billing details, and any other pertinent information relevant to your membership type. It's all cleanly laid out and easy to navigate, so you can manage your subscriptions efficiently. You can also update your membership preferences or renew right from this page if needed. That's it! By following this straightforward process, you can easily find and manage your Amazon Prime membership details. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in handling your account details on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.